Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nets Libona. Today is Friday guys. So sumama ako dito kay Tin kasi nag-play siya ng instrument. May ginagawa siya. Ito ang view from the center. Ayan yung tao. Ayan ang view. 51 pa lang guys ng hapon. Ayan yung view sa labas. So, ayan. Dito lalabas kami. Punta kami ng Korean shop. So, punta natin si Tin. Baka tapos na siya. Hi! Say hi to my vlog! Hi! Ito siya matapos, tapos aalis kami. Maglakad-lakad lang. Ate!
Hello!
Kamusta ang buhay-buhay?
Ito po.
Tapos na kami sa kabila. Ate, si ate, mag-hi ka sa aming vlog kasi hindi ka naka-hi dito.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Ito po. Ito tayo sound ng sa akin. Sound.
Maalis kami.
21, 22. Ay, lalabas na ba kayo?
Akyat pa kami.
Ano lang, magabayan lang.
Baka kami bayad sa taas.
Sunduin namin yung isa sa taas.
Si Ate Dor.
Akyat muna kami, te ha. Daran ka namin dito.
Sige.
Bye-bye! Sa kauwi lang namin. Yung cake na malaki kagabi, tingnan nyo naman kung gano'n nakaliit. Kakauwi lang namin na gusto. Wala na akong ginawa doon. Umupo lang naman. So, kain na tayo ng cake. Tapos alis kami. Nalabas tayo puntang Korean shop. Hi! Guys, So, nalabas kami guys. Ano ngayon kung nalabas ka? Daanan namin si Ate Claudia. Iyain namin napunta doon. Ayan siya. Hindi pa siya tapos. Grabe yung overtime yung coins. Ayan guys, alis na kami guys Dala namin si Ate Claudia. Labas na kami. Guys, labas na kami. Yan sila. Dapat kami. Mag-walking lang papunta ang Korean shop. Yun yung aking kasama. Tatlo pa, apat kami. Tapos yun yung main highway. Kaya mag-ingay. Tapos tayo. Ayan. Apat na kami. Nagabi tatlo lang. So, maglakad-lakad lang tayo. Puntang Korean shop. Para masaya. Masaya ang buhay. Ano sakyan? Dahil sasakyan. Lakad lang tayo. Sige. Maganda kasi hindi mainit. Ate, baka masakit yan. Ate, pag lumakad ka, hindi masyadong ano? Pag lumakad ka, alam, sasakyan. Sa unahan. Hindi na masyadong mainit. Ay, hindi na mainit. Lakad lang, guys.
Oo nga, kahit naman si ano yung iba.
So, tapos na kami dito, guys. Lipat kami sa may Korean shop. Sa Abibakar Al-Siddiq Road. Ano yan, ah? Kalabasa yan? Oh! Tatawid kami dyan, guys. Pupunta kami doon sa kabila. Ayan, maraming sasakyan. Yan, nakatawid na kami, guys. Nakatawid na kami, guys. Oh my God.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do
do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Oo. Tara, bibili mo ng kape. Kala itong kape ko. Meron din kape ko dito, tag 14. 14 reals. Antay ko si cashier, wala pa. Ang babayan. Ay. Say hi also. And subscribe to my channel. YouTube. YouTube. Aywa. Subscribe. Bye. Thank you. So tapos na kami doon. Tapos na kami doon sa loob guys. Uwi na kami. Hello guys. So, pupunta muna kami sa gulayan. Bibili kami ng gulay. Babalik kami ulit dito sa taas. Doon kami galing sa Korean shop. Bitor na kami guys.
Thank you.
Antok na sila guys.
Napagod sila. Dalawang balik.
Oo.